don't let the title of this build put you off. Alright, it's a Debrid build for Debrid users. It's light, one page build. It has a widget. If you press the up button, it'll pop up. But like someone said, these are the best add-ons. These should be the only add-ons included in a build. Now, I don't totally agree with this guy. Everyone's got different, preferences. Also, guys, there is a non-Debrid version of this build called Miss Piggy. Right, you can use the same Kodi fork if you wish, or not the same. Yeah, you can. You can use the same downloader code that you see. And that is it. All right, like I say, it's light, easy to use, so it's probably great for lots of devices. Any device, I guess. I don't think it's going to take up that much memory. I'm not too sure. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.